Whether you're in the market for a king or a queen, Stearns and Foster mattresses should be on your radar. For 175 years, their handcrafted estate, luxe hybrid, and reserve mattress lines have provided luxurious style. But these mattresses have next-level comfort built in as well. Let's dive in and explore the features that are exclusive to Stearns and Foster. Handcrafted Quality. You can't talk about Stearns and Foster without talking about how every Stearns and Foster mattress is handmade and signed by the craftsman. They consider these mattresses works of art, and artists always sign their work. It's also a method of quality control. These mattresses are incredibly well made because they are not mass-produced, and each craftsman is held accountable for the quality of their work. The Intelli Coil system. Stearns and Foster's patented nested coil design was created in 2009 and is the only continuous coil within coil on the market. This innovation allows two coils to work as one and provides customized support to reduce tossing and turning. A large outer coil responds to the lightest touch, so the mattress is luxuriously soft where you want it to be. A smaller cone-shaped inner coil is nested within the outer coil for a larger range of support in the exact areas where you need it. Breathable cooling materials. External silver air vents and a ventilated coil system work together to promote airflow through the interior of the mattress, preventing heat from building up and promoting ideal temperatures for deep sleep. The new line for 2023 is also made with Tencel, a sustainably sourced cooling thread that mimics the feeling of silk. Exclusive Temper Foam. Not every Stearns & Foster mattress includes memory foam, but those that do use some of the best foam on the market. Temper Indulge was developed by the sleep experts at Tempur-Pedic exclusively for use in Stearns & Foster mattresses. While this foam is made by Tempur-Pedic, it's different from the foam that they use in their own mattresses and has a uniquely luxurious feel that you have to experience to understand. That's our overview of the features that you should be aware of when considering a Stearns & Foster mattress. Make sure you stop by your nearest Mattress Kingdom to rest test these beautiful mattresses for yourself and let us know in the comments what you think. Please make sure to like the video if it's helpful and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on the latest appliance and mattress news.